Utility crews continue working to restore power to customers from the ice storm. It's been a struggle for thousands of customers, and our Local 12's Elaine Kong now is in Eastgate with the very latest. Hi, Elaine.
Good afternoon, Liz. Yes, we're here at Eastgate Mall, and as you can see, there are cars out here going inside and shopping. What we're not showing you are these service trucks. Now, many of these service trucks are coming in from North Carolina. This is the staging area for Duke Energy and their service crews. Now, Sally Phelan says many of them are coming in from North Carolina. Now, of course, they're coming in to help with the power outage issue. Many of them will be going out to fix broken power lines and other issues that the ice caused yesterday. Now, thousands of people have already gotten their energy back, but as of right now, there are around 18,000 people in our coverage area that still don't have power. That means people in Ohio and Kentucky. Now, Duke Energy is expecting Sunday to be the worst case scenario for when people get their power back. Now, Duke Energy can't say when their power is going to be back in each service area because they need to figure out what the damage looks like, depending on if the damage is something that they can fix immediately or if something that they have to fix within days. It really just depends on how bad that ice hit their certain homes and their service areas. Liz, I'm going to send it back to you. In Eastgate, Elaine Kong, Local 12 News.
Thank you very much, Elaine. I know several people here still waiting for power as well. Good to see those trucks there. And Local 12 has several crews working on the ice storm cleanup and power outages, and we will continue to share the latest. We hope you get your power back soon and can see it at local12.com. We have more information. We'll also have it first at 4.